Karachi features an arid climate, albeit a more moderate version of this climate. Located on the coast, Karachi tends to have a relatively mild climate with low levels of average precipitation, approximately 250 mm per annum, the bulk of which occurs during the July-August monsoon season. Winters are mild and the summers are hot. However, the proximity to the sea maintains humidity levels at a near-constant high, and cool sea breezes relieve the heat of the summer months. Due to high temperatures during the summer, ranging from 30 to 44 degrees Celsius from April to August, the winter months, November to February, are generally considered the best times to visit Karachi. July, December, and January have pleasing and cloudy weather when most of the social events and tourism, ranging from weddings to charity fundraisers, frequently take place. Although rains in the city are a rare guest. But in 2006, 2007, and 2009 Karachi was hit by a series of very heavy rains. On June 23, 2007, Cyclone Yemian lashed the city with heavy downpour and strong windstorms, killing 200 people. Also on July 18, 2009, 235 mm rain occurred in just 14 hours, see 2009 Karachi floods. Citation needed. Highest recorded is 48 degrees Celsius 118 degrees Fahrenheit and lowest is 0.0 degrees Celsius 32 degrees Fahrenheit.